How to get your first job in data science. Getting your first data science job feels overwhelming. But thousands of professionals worldwide have done it without a traditional background. Here is a clear path to follow. Start by building a strong foundation in Python and SQL. These two skills appear in almost every data science job posting globally. Next, learn the core concepts of statistics and machine learning. You do not need a PhD for this. Free and paid resources online can teach you everything you need. The most important step is building a portfolio of real projects. Pick 2 or 3 datasets that interest you and solve a real problem with them. Publish your work on GitHub so employers can see what you have built. Your portfolio matters more than your degree. After that, get certified. Certifications from AWS, Google, or IBM signal credibility to hiring managers. Start applying to junior roles, internships, and freelance projects. Do not wait until you feel ready. Apply while you are still learning. Tailor your resume to each role. Highlight projects, not just education. Prepare for interviews by practicing with real datasets and case study questions. Network actively on LinkedIn. Connect with data professionals, join communities, and engage with their content. Your first job may not be perfect, but it gets you in the door. Every senior data scientist started exactly where you are. The path is clear. Start today.